uKhachalia uthi akazange asiqonde isinqumo sikaNgqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu sokuhlakazwa kwethimba eliphenya ngokubulawa kosombusazwe njengoba zaziqhubeka izigameko zokubulawa kwabo.
I couldn't understand exactly what the reasons were for the disbandment of the task team. It seemed to me that the problem of, let's call them political killings, I'll come back to that, was an ongoing one, that in the run-up to the local government elections, it was likely to deepen, become even worse.
Utshele ikomiti ukuthi wakuthola kunzima ukuthola lonke ulwazi malungana ne-PKTT kanye namadokodo angu-121 ayephenywa ileli thimba okusolakala ukuthi asuswa kulo ayiswe ePitoli. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi engaziswanga.
But I was trying to understand, had the PKTT actually been disbanded? And he was a little bit, it was a little bit unclear to me that I was getting a clear answer on that question.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uthi ucabanga ukuthi isithangami sabezindaba esabizwa nguMkhwanazi ngoNtulikazi sasingafanele futhi akazange uqonde nomfaniswano wamaphoyisa ayogqoke ngesikhathi ebambele isithangami.
His appearance before the public, in full military regalia, armed and so forth, worried me. And I made a statement to that effect after my appointment.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.